Welcome to Halcyon Report CPA Review. Accounting isn't as complicated as everyone makes it out to be. In fact, did you know that the CPA exam requires no prior experience in accounting in order to sit for the exam? That's where we come in. In these upcoming series of videos, we will help you master the key concepts needed to completely ace the CPA exam and go forth into the workforce like a boss. In these videos, we're going to be providing you with an in-depth, bite-sized, easy-to-digest breakdown of everything you need to know prior to going into the exam. Additionally, we've carefully examined the current top 4 CPA review platforms for their accuracy and reliability in order to provide you here with the best, most crucial questions and answer guide you will need to help you pass the CPA exam with a breeze. So hit the subscribe button and check in every week and follow along with us with each section in order to ensure your success on the upcoming exam. See you soon and take care.